Welcome in my YouTube channel. Today let us discuss about the problem which is asked in CSIR NET November 2020. Okay, it's the problem taken from the real analysis. Okay, so let us discuss about the problem. But does message give this problem us? Okay, set of all subsets of R, set of all subsets of N. Okay, these are the four options which we have given, and we are asked which of the following sets has the same cardinality as R, or the same R makes bijection with R. Okay, so first set option first says that set of all maps whose input is the set whose cardinality is 2 and whose output is the set of natural number. Okay, let us generalize this by choosing range set having element 2 or having element 3. Okay, so let us so I always start how do we think. Okay, so let us choose f is nothing but some set whose input is 0, output is 3 element. Okay, 1 2 3. Okay, so let us generalize this. It's taking just for your understanding. Okay, your better understanding. Okay, and then similarly this also works for n. Okay, so f of 0 can be 1 or 2 or 3. Okay, f of 1 can be 0 1, can be f of 1 can be 1, can be 2, can be 3. Okay, so these are the possibilities. So let us see here. If f of 0 equal 1, f of 1 equal 1, this is one function. Okay, f of 1, and this is f of 2, this is f of 3. Okay, f of 4, and all are distinct functions. Okay, f of 7, f of 8, f of 9. Okay, there are 9 functions. When I have chosen the set whose cardinality is 3, I am getting 9 functions. If I choose t whose cardinality is only 1 and 2, then I will only get these 4 functions. Okay, means if I choose cardinality 2, I am getting the set of functions whose cardinality is 2 to power 2. If I am getting set, if I taking t as a set whose element are 3, then I am getting set S whose cardinality of t to power 2. Okay, similarly this way, when we take f whose range set is n, I am getting s whose cardinality is nothing but cardinality of n to power 2. And cardinality of n is, since we know that the cardinality of the set of natural number is alif naught to power 2, which is same as alif naught, and that cannot be make bijection with R cardinal. Okay, because both set have different cardinality, so they cannot be bijected. Okay, so option 1 is going to be false. I hope you have understand this well. Okay, so let me revise again. If you choose range set whose cardinality is 1, you are getting the you will get the cardinality of s. You will get the cardinality of s is nothing but 1 to power 2. If you are taking this range set whose cardinality is 2, you will get the set S whose cardinality is 2 to power 2. If you are taking this set whose cardinality is 3, then you will get the set S whose cardinality is 3 to power 2. Similarly, here we have given N whose cardinality is alif naught, so we are getting the set S whose cardinality is nothing but alif naught to power 2. Since by the algebra of the cardinal numbers, alif naught to power 2 is same as alif naught. Okay, means alif naught to power 2 is equal to the alif naught, and which cannot be equal to the continuum is nothing but the cardinality of R. So if they have different cardinality, they cannot be bijected each other. So option 1 is going to be false. Now let us discuss about the option 2. Option 2 says that set of all maps which runs from the set of natural number to a set whose cardinality is 2. So let us discuss about these problems. Okay, means So those function f is nothing but those functions which whose input is set of natural number and whose output is only two element. Okay, how do we think about this? Okay, so for the sake of easiness, okay, let me f of 1 either 1 or 0. Okay, f of 2 same either 0 or 1, f of 3 same either 0 or 1. Similarly f of n, okay, has also two possibility either 0 or 1. Okay, again let me do this as I have done previous. Okay, let me do for f of 1, f of 2, f of 3. Okay, can be 0 1 0 1. Okay, f of 1, f of 2, f of 3. Okay, can be 1, all can be 1 1 simultaneously, all can be 0 0. Okay, f1 let me call it f2 and f3 is 1, and let me keep these two zeros. Let me do these two ones and 1 0. f5 is nothing but keep me here 0, let me keep here 1, let me keep here 0. Okay, so 1 is in and f of 6 is nothing but, if I keep here 0 here 1 1. Okay, because this type of function is not 0 1 0. Okay, 0 1 1 and 1 0 1. Okay, 1 0 1 is not reversed. Okay, f of 7 f of 8 is what? If I choose here 0 0 0 0 0 0, okay, 0 0, but cannot be 0 because I already have chosen 0 here. Okay, 1 0 0 1. So these are the functions. There are 8 functions. Okay, there are 8 functions. Because I have chosen, this can be one function, this can be another function, this can be another, this can be another. Okay, similarly, like only we can construct 8 function when we choose 3 elements. Okay, similarly there are alif not elements. Okay, if we choose 3 elements we are getting 8 elements, means 2 to power 3. Okay, if we choose alif not elements we will get 2 to power alif not, which is same as continuum. Okay, which is continuum is nothing but the cardinality of r, so this makes bijection with r. Okay, so option 2 is going to be true. But do I apply here? I just apply the function f of 1. I have chosen one function whose each element has image 1 1, and I have chosen second function whose each element has image 0 0. I have chosen third function which gives 1 at 1 and remains 0 for other. I have chosen another function which gives 0 for 3 and remains 1 others. Okay, similarly like this we can only construct 8 functions when we choose 3 element, and we will construct 4 elements, 4 functions when we will choose f of 1 and f of 2. Similarly we have to here in the option 2 compel us to choose till n alif not. Okay, so we are getting continuum, which continuum is nothing but the cardinality of r. So there there can be exist a bijection from set S to a, there can be exist a bijection from this set all those functions which runs from natural number to the set whose cardinality is 2. Okay, it is bijected to R. Okay, there is a there can exist a bijection between these two functions S and R. Okay, two sets. Okay, So option 2 is going to be true. Now we are asked about option third, set of all subsets of n. Okay, set of all subsets of n. Please, I let it for you as an exercise, and it's very basic, not too tough. Okay, please journalize for 2, journalize for 3, journalize for 4 and 5. Similarly, you always get that the cardinality of the set of all subsets is nothing but the cardinality of set. Okay, here our set is 2 to power alif naught, cardinality of n is alif naught, which is continuum. So option third is also true, set of all subsets of n. Okay, if you will choose, if I will see you s is, I will see you that my set t which has 2 element. Okay, and what is the cardinality of set of all subsets of t? Set of all subsets of t, since phi singleton 1 singleton 2 1 2. Okay, only these are the possibilities. So s has 4 sets, means when we choose the cardinality 2, I am getting 2 to power 2 4. Okay, similarly when we will choose cardinality alif naught, we will get 2 to power alif naught, which is nothing but the continuum, and continuum is what? The cardinality of r, so it makes a bijection with r. So option 30 is also going to be true. Okay, now we are asked about set of all subsets of r. Okay, set of all subsets of r. Please apply the same logic and do that. Okay, I do, please, it's, I keep you as an exercise. Please do this same logic as in the option third. Okay, 2 to power alif naught instead of 2 to power alif naught, here 2 to power c continuum. Okay, which is although uncountable, but we cannot construct a bijection from the set whose cardinality is 2 to power continuum to a set whose cardinality is continuum. Okay, we cannot form a bijection. Okay, if he asks us whether the which of the following sets are uncountable, then this set can be true. Option 4 can be true if he asks us about which of the following sets are uncountable. The set whose cardinality is 2 to power, the set whose cardinality is 2 to power continuum is, set whose cardinality is 2 to, is uncountable, but not a set which makes a bijection with r. Okay, because 2 to power continuum is greater than continuum, set whose cardinality is 2 to power continuum is greater than the set whose cardinality is continuum. Thanks for watching the video. Please share, subscribe my channel and like my videos. It gives me the real motivation to form another videos. And now please comment and give your suggestions, which are the right suggestions. I accept them, and everyone who will give the suggestion, I always welcome for those. And please share your experience, share your thinking. How do you think about the certain concept? Please share, that is a must. Okay, that is the only thing which can be beneficial for us by making the video. Okay, please do this, please follow this. Thanks.